Do you like to watch social media, or are you a social media fan? Then today I will teach you 10 most important and common used social media words you have to know. It's compulsory, so keep watching. Welcome students to my channel Quick English Tutorial by Neil Sir. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe, press the notification for more updated videos. Our first word is viral, meaning when something becomes very popular and spreads very quickly on the internet, we refer to this as it's become viral. In fact, it is really good and positive that your social media post or video has become viral on the internet. Our next word is vlogger. Vlogger is a person who uses his or her blog through videos instead of writing a blog in the old traditional way. It is much easier and faster in modern days. Vlogging is a good way to get a lot of views. Our next word is meme. Meme can be an image, a video, or a text which is typically funny or informative in nature. They are mostly copied and they spread rapidly through the internet by different users making some changes to them. Our fourth word is troll or trolling. The word troll is used to refer to a person who deliberately starts an argument or intentionally upsets people on the internet. The reason for this is unknown, but they still do it because it makes them happy. Our fifth word is mashup. The word mashup means to combine one thing with another and have a mashup. It can either be an audio or video recording from different artists put together into one integrated product. Our sixth word is AMA. AMA, meaning Ask Me Anything, is a session when a person or a group agree to answer all the questions that people ask them. It is a great way to connect with their fans and share knowledge. Our seventh word is clickbait. Clickbait is used to attract attention and encourage people to click on a link leading them to a website or a video. It can be in a form of a text or a thumbnail. Most of the videos are not the same as the clickbait titles itself. Our eighth word is hashtag. A hashtag refers to a word or phrase that has a hash symbol next to it. On social media, hashtags are used to find content about a specific topic and make it more discoverable to other users. Our ninth word is impressions. Impressions are the number of times your post has been seen by other users on social media. For example, you post something today and 10 people watch it. This means your post got 10 impressions. And finally, our 10th word is engagement. Engagement means an action or response you get on your social media by other users. This can either be in the form of likes, shares, or comments. The more the engagement, the better your videos will start to rank up. I hope you found these words helpful the next time you log on to any social media platform. Thank you for watching and keep learning.